Hello everyone, my name is Nikita Keshav Khande and today my subject is a static instance and abstract method in Java. So now we'll discuss about the static instance and abstract methods in Java. First of all is a static method. Why use in a static method? A static method is a method is that the use of the then on instance of the class. This means is a call of the static method is without creating an object. Then use in a methods are some things then called as a class method. Then a static method is used to the method related is a part of the instance and rather than of the class. Every instance method is class is a access of the method. Then static method have access a class variable without using a class object. Only static data may be accessed using by a static method in enable to the access data that is used in a not a static method. In both static and non-static methods, like static method is uses in a can be accessed directly. Then use in a instance method. Instance method is used to the perform is particular sometimes its program. If we want to necessary that separate in a main method, it is called as a instance method. Instance method have over access instance of the variable than use in an instance method directly and indirectly. Then instance method can access in a static variable and static directly. Calling instance method we cannot calling of the interface method in a static method directly. Then now discuss about the abstract method. Can we be using an abstract class and it is used to provide broad body. The body is provided by a subclass. Then object oriented programming function is defined as the hiding of the unnecessary details from the top to bottom. Then focus of essentially is called as the abstract method. The abstract method can be achieved by the abstract class, and abstract method is declared with using abstract word within an abstract class. If we want to definition of the abstract class, if we want to just the definition of the abstract class, we need to the abstraction in a super class to the child class. It achieved by the declaring of the method and abstract. Method and abstract. Then abstract method is used to the object oriented programming function is defined by the hiding of the unnecessary default from the focus of the essential details. So thank you all of you.